My name is Sriram. I am studying in 30. Today I am going to show you how to build a race car out of Legos. First you take one of these parts, then you put one of these on, then you take this blue part and put this on, then take a similar part like this and put this on, then prepare a driver seat like this with a guy sitting on a chair, then take a steering wheel, put it on and leave one gap to attach the guide. With the leftover space, extend the car, then do something like this. Then add the wheel at the back, then add the wheel at the front, and then take it for a test. Let's fast forward. And you see I have tested it and it works fine. Then take one of these glass mirrors and put it on. And if you don't have one, just don't add it. Never mind about adding it. It's a body problem. And everyone take and add holders since your car will keep on breaking. So add holders everybody, and then add the steering wheel. Add the steering wheel first, then add the driver's seat. Put them in the staircase like way. Let's start. Then you take this big part and you add it, and then you have your car done. Then you take it for the test drive, see if it works, and if it doesn't work, retry it again, watch the video again and try to do it again. Then it will succeed. Bye bye everyone, see you next time.